Hello, my good people. Yoruba Nation at it again. Yoruba Nation movement staged a peaceful June 12 rally for self-determination across Nigeria. The Yoruba self-determination movement has announced a major peaceful rally to be held on June 12, 2025 as part of its campaign for regional autonomy and self-governance for the Yoruba people. The rally will span several southwest cities. You see, this is what we are saying. And other locations intentionally aligned with Nigerian's democracy, they to highlight demands for justice, fairness, and true federalism. In a statement released on Tuesday, while SDM leadership emphasized their commitments to non-violence, encouraging supporters to protest peacefully and avoid any clashes with security forces. They strictly advised against targeting police, military personnel, or public facilities. Our goal is to achieve self-determination through peaceful and legal means, the statement declared. We do not condone violence. Our focus is on dialogue, enlightenment, and lawful civic action. The group, which has steadily grown in influence, aims to achieve a democratic and a peaceful exit from Nigeria, creating an independent Yoruba nation. The June 12th demonstration, they say, is intended to spotlight the ongoing issues facing the Yoruba people, including political exclusion, insecurity, and economic marginalization. Organizers have been collaborating with civil society leaders, religious institutions, and local governments to ensure the rallies proceed in an orderly manner. They also urged security personnel to respect citizens' right to peaceful assembly and free speech. This rally is peaceful, not comfort, confrontational. We expect law enforcement agencies to conduct themselves with professionalism and restraint. The group added, while SDM is also urging the federal government to begin discussions and consider organizing a referendum on the issue of Yoruba self-determination. According to the movement, Nigeria's present political structure lacks equity, undermining regional development and stability. The planned rally has drawn mixed reactions. Some political commentators view the movement's demands as legitimate, while others warn a politici- a potential threat to national unity, although there has been no formal response from the security agencies. Reports suggest that measures are being put in place to ensure peace on the day of the protest. As June 12 approaches, YSDM leaders maintain that their vision is a peaceful one, where the Yoruba people can freely chart their own political and economic future. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. Yoruba nation is a must. In a related issue, here what is going on the issue of this June 12. You see, you see, Nigerians is in pain, and we cannot keep quiet. Protest movement sets June 12 deadline. A broad coalition of civic groups has announced nationwide protest scheduled to 12 June accusing the government of failing in its responsibilities to protect citizens and worsening economic conditions across Nigeria. The organizers say the action is not only a show of frustration, but also a call to reclaim a nation they believed is losing its democratic identity. The planned demonstrations will be held in over 20 cities, including Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan, Benin, Akure, Maduguri, and Warri, and other towns. According to the organizers, the goal is to demand urgent reforms in response to insecurity, poverty, and the shrinking of civic space under the current administration. Organizers of the movement say 12 June was chosen for its significance as a Nigeria's democracy day, a state meant to celebrate freedom and civic rights. Instead, they say the country has descended into a state of fear, rising violence, hunger, and growing hopelessness. They urge that the government has failed to protect lives and livelihood, livelihood while curbing citizens' rights to speak up or protest. The movement claims that thousands of Nigerians have died as a result of violent attacks and insecurity since the current administration took office. In states like Benue and Plateau, tens of thousands have been displaced from their homes. Protesters are demanding that the government take responsibility and act in line with its constitutional mandate. They also want security forces against attempts to suppress the protest, reminding them of court rulings that uphold the right of a peaceful assembly. According to the organizers, any attempt to silence the people will only deepen the crisis of trust between citizens and the state. With the protest with this protest, the group is calling on Nigerians from all walks of life to speak up and take action for them, saying silence is no longer an option. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying, that the government should do the needful. Hunger, hardship everywhere. Insecurity is the order of the day. Hear what one of our own is saying in the comment section. Tinubu has created a lot of problem for us in this country. We are all in pain except the rulership. My brothers and sisters, you see, this is what we are saying. My brothers and sisters, in the comment section, you are free to say your opinion on these issues. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. Thanks and God bless. Amen.